Artificial intelligence sounds complicated, but the truth is it works in a much simpler way than most people think. And today, you're going to understand exactly how AI works. Explained like you're 5. Here's why this matters. Once you understand how AI thinks and learns, everything else makes sense. ChatGPT, image generators, robots, automation, all of it. So let's break this down simply. Imagine a kid learning to recognize a cat. You show them lots of pictures. They notice patterns, whiskers, pointy ears, soft fur. Eventually, they can look at a new picture and say, "That's a cat." AI learns the same way. But instead of a kid looking at a few pictures, AI looks at millions. Now here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. AI is made of tiny decision makers called neurons. Think of them as little switches. Each neuron looks at the information and passes a signal to the next one. Hundreds of thousands of these neurons work together across many layers. Here's the simple version. Layer 1. The AI looks at the raw data, a picture, a sentence, a sound. Layer 2, it looks for patterns, shapes, words, colors, meaning. Layer 3, it makes a decision. This is a cat, or here's the answer, or here's the next word. But AI doesn't start smart. It learns by making mistakes. If it guesses wrong, it adjusts the switches, tiny mathematical tweaks, until it gets better and better. This process is called training. And after enough training, AI becomes excellent at spotting patterns, predicting what comes next, and generating new things, like text, images, or even videos. Here's a simple example. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it doesn't know the answer like a human. It predicts the next best word based on patterns it learned from billions of examples. It's like a supercharged autocomplete, but trained to think in full ideas. So in simple terms, AI works by learning patterns, adjusting itself when it's wrong, and becoming so good at predicting and recognizing information that it feels intelligent. If you want more clear, visual explanations of how AI works, subscribe to AI Unlocked. We make the future easy to understand.